Hi there, welcome to Mind My Business's VAT Guide. In this video, we're going to explain to you how the VAT system is currently set up in Ireland. VAT, or value added tax, is a tax charged on the sale of goods and services by VAT registered businesses. The standard rate in Ireland is 23%, there's a reduced rate of 13.5%, a second reduced rate of 9%, a special rate of 4.8%, and a zero rate, not to be confused with tax exempt, of 0. At My Business, we are already set up and configured for all of these 5 tax rates, but if necessary, you can add your own or customize them. An important note to remember is that the VAT system is forward-looking. You'll need to submit tax returns if your business is likely to exceed the minimum thresholds. You'll be required to register for VAT if your business envisages turning over more than $75,000 providing goods in a 12-month period, or if it's likely to turn over more than $37,500 in a 12-month period providing services. There is one other circumstance under which you would have to register for VAT, and that is if you acquire goods in excess of $41,000 annually from other EU member states. All VAT-registered businesses have to provide records of the VAT they've charged others and all that they've paid out to suppliers. Since June 2012, all businesses are required to submit their VAT returns online, and you can do so by creating an account with ros.ie. This is the Revenue Online service. There are 3 VAT schemes, but the default one that you'll be assigned when you register with ROS is the standard tax scheme. It may well be worth discussing with your accountant if any of those are applicable to you, given your circumstances, and whether or not they'd be worth applying for. The deadline for issuing VAT invoices is 15 days after the goods and services were supplied. Your accounting period is the period of time for which you'll need to submit VAT returns if you're registered. With the standard scheme, that's every 2 months. You can do this yourself online, as we previously mentioned, or you could authorize an accountant to do this on behalf of your business. With Mind My Business, you can sign them up as an additional user and they'll have access to all that information. You have to remember to submit a VAT return, even if you have a nil return, i.e. no VAT due over that period. So what should it show? It should show your output tax, and that's the VAT you've charged customers over the period. It should show your input tax, and that's the VAT you've paid on purchases over the period. And if your input tax is greater than your output tax, then you can claim that difference back from revenue. And that's it, really. So I suppose the next step is to try it out for yourself. Now you have all the information you need. If you're in this position or close to it, get yourself onto Mind My Business and avail of our free trial offer with unlimited transactions. You can sign up on mindmybusiness.ie, follow us on social media, on Facebook or on Twitter. And there's more tutorial demonstration videos on all the above channels. Thanks very much, and we look forward to you signing up.